Okay. Pagka daw sa gout, iwas daw ng karning baka, iwas daw sa mani. Totoo ba yun, Doc?
Well, if
Kalaman loob.
yan yung yung purine kasi purine metabolism tayo. Ngayon, if you 1/3 lang ng mga kinakain yan, 1/3 ng problem natin sa uric acid ay galing sa pagkain. Ngayon, if you're going to limit that, bawasan yan, yes, you can. Pero ang mas madaming nagkokos ng gout is yung sugary food, sugar drinks, and processed food. Kasi may patient po ako, mga chronic gout. Binago ko ang lifestyle. Well, sinabihan ko, yes, you can eat meat. As long as you take out this high carbohydrates, high processed food, sugar food, sugar drink. Nagulat yung patient ko. I have 2 patients. Nagulat for how many months, every month, nagkakaroon sila ng gout flare, gout attack. First time nila. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, while gout-free. Changing their diet. Number 1. Tapos, may activity na rin sila.
Ay, exercise.
Yes.
Kailangan ng exercise, Doc. Anong klaseng exercise? Masakit na nga yung pa ako.
Okay. Siyempre, pagka masakit ang